Was wrong. I should have bought that to nutsack. Psych. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. So I've been getting some comments recently from you little trolls, you little Jeremy lovers. Oh my God, Jeremy, just buy unprofitable stocks and then pump them on your YouTube channel and then Wall Street bets. Oh my God. Yeah, that's your hero right there, okay? The freaking gas station manager, who's such a genius. But I'm a CPA. I'm an idiot. Oh my God. So recently, Tattooed Chef, I almost said nutsack, Tattooed Chef has gone up 25% in the last week. This is the stock I've been hammering. I've been saying this stock is trash. Number one, because it doesn't make any profits. Which doesn't matter. Run! Run! And number two, I think, and I'm not just saying this, I tried the food. It is overpriced garbage. It is way too expensive for the portions that you get. That's my personal opinion. I don't believe in the product. I'm not buying the stock, okay? Now, a lot of you clowns think you're such geniuses. When a stock goes up, oh my God, I'm so smart. I picked the right stock. And when the stock goes down, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. It's always good. There's always good news. There's never bad news. If you don't like the stock, you're an idiot no matter what. Even if Tattooed Chef went to $12, you'd be like, you're just dumb. You should buy it on the cheap. You know, it's on a discount right now. Yeah. That's what you would say, okay? And to be honest, I don't really care what happens with this stock. This stock could 4x. I don't care. You want to know why? I've already maxed my tax advantage accounts for the year, or at least the 401k, I'm working on that. My IRA and my wife's IRA is maxed, and on January 1st, 2022, my IRA and my wife's IRA will be maxed again, and then I'll max my 401k next year. Do you think I give a crap, honestly, about what happens to Tattooed Chef? A lot of you dorks are banking your futures. You're spraying and praying and hoping that this one stock will deliver you crazy returns and save you from your miserable little existence. When you should instead focus on living below your means, maxing your tax advantage accounts, and potentially raising your income by getting a better skill. That's how you'll achieve wealth in the long run. Now, something else I want to show you. This stock is up 25%. Cool, whatever. There seems to be a trend with Tattooed Nutsack. Let's look back a year. It seems to spike up, and then it seems to crash. And then it spikes and then it crashes over and over and over again. So when you look at this little spike in context, it's just another freaking spike, okay? There's been there's earnings recently. But this spike is just a bunch of clowns, you buying the dip and listening to Jeremy. Because what Jeremy does is he's like, oh my God, guys, you have to buy the dip. You have to buy the dip. He pumps the stock. He buys the stock, and then he pumps it, and then he benefits from you clowns flooding in after him. He has like $1 million, probably more now in this stock, at least based on what his freaking video said. Of course he's going to pump the stock, and you clowns are going to come in after him and help him get wealthy, okay? It's pretty gross in my opinion, but whatever. So, if you look at it in historical context, it goes up, and then it freaking crashes, and then it shoots up again. Wow, clowns buying the dip. Go back 5 years, same freaking thing, ever since the SPAC. Up, down. Look at this massive run up. Up, down, up, down, up, down. I wonder what's going to happen next, okay? Maybe there'll be a short squeeze. Oh my God, maybe it'll go to $1 trillion per share like AMC is going to apparently. So, I don't really care, okay? I don't give a crap. If your stock goes up 20% tomorrow, okay. But the fundamental value of the stock is not what's reflected in the stock price. It doesn't make freaking money. It is an unprofitable company. And I'm going to prove that to you. Run! It doesn't matter, run! I'm going to prove that to you because we're going to look. Okay. Operating income. This is a quarterly chart. Over the last 3 quarters has been unprofitable. And the most recent quarter, they lost what? $8 million in operating income. Net income, negative $53 million. Wow. Let's look at cash flow. trailing 12 months, they've burned $40 million. $40 million, okay? 7 in the last quarter, 18, 12, and 4. Wow, they had $2 million of operating cash flow in the quarter ended June 2020. Wow, I'm sure they're just going to knock it out of the park, okay? They're freaking burning cash. So over the last 12 months, they've burned $40 million in cash. Let's see how much revenue they've made. So they've made $184 million of revenue. And from that revenue, they've burned $40 million of operating income, operating cash. Wow, this is just such a great stock. You know, I have a suspicion. I'm not saying this is confirmed. I think Jeremy's just pumping and dumping this thing. He has so much vested in this stock that he has to keep pumping it, because when you saw it decline, look how much he freaked out. Look how much he lost his mind because he's so hyper-concentrated in it. He will do anything he has to do. Pump it every day. Make videos every day. Oh, it went up. Oh, it went down. Bye. This new thing I discovered. He has to make these videos because he is so personally invested in it. It's freaking gross, okay? But whatever. He's your hero. He has nice hats. I should have worn my pink hat. Let me go get it real quick. Hi, everybody. I'm Jeremy. Anyway, I don't care. Stop commenting on my videos. Well, keep commenting so you boost me in the algorithm. But if you think I'm going to give a crap about, oh, I'm up and tattooed chef, guess what? I have more money than you, okay? So you can brag about your gains. I've invested consistently over the last 10 years. And yes, I am much better off than you. And it's not because I'm a genius, even though I am. It's because I follow a good strategy that actually builds wealth long run. Now you shut your mouths. Go somewhere else. Go to your little rat den. Eat your moldy cheese and your dead cousins. And get out of my face before I start crying again. Choose! Are you a broke loser? Do you want to stop being a broke loser? Well, buy my book on Amazon. It's $2.99 for an ebook. Or $9.99 for a hardback. It's called Stop Being a Broke Loser. If you buy this book, you will no longer be a broke loser. So buy it now.